and welcome back to our channel. This week's video is a new portion of the latest news and updates that has been made in Zoho software in June and July of this year. Before I begin this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button, and let's get on into the video because there have been a lot of different updates across different apps within Zoho ecosystem, and we will start off as always from the core of every business, Zoho CRM. So Zoho has introduced a canvas record form in Zoho CRM. So now you can easily modify and design the layout of your record forms to streamline data entry, highlight key information, and create a visual engaging interface that reflects your brand. I love how it looks like. Zoho also introduced dynamic filters within Zoho CRM to enhance the lookup functionality by adapting in real time to the data you're working with. Once configured, dynamic lookup filters change the lookup result based on the field values in the current module, which is very useful. Zoho CRM also introduced two very useful features, which are bulk additions to subforms via lookup and subform permissions. There's also a great upgrade to CRM blueprints that can now include optional fields in stage transitions, allowing for more flexibility in meeting various process needs. Now you can also facilitate business processes by mandating kiosks in your blueprints transition settings. So now you can combine both kiosks and blueprints for more efficiency. And some other great news is that CPQ in Zoho CRM is now supported in Sandbox. So these features not only increase efficiency but also enhance customer satisfaction by guaranteeing that sales proposals are both prompt and accurate. There's also great news about actions by Zoho Flow that allow you to automate actions in third-party apps, and it has been extended to standard and professional editions of Zoho CRM. There's also a new exciting addition to assignment roles in Zoho CRM. So now you can assign records based on user roles in an organization. There's also an amazing upgrade to Zia. So now Zia Vision has a duplicate image detection function that can help you to discover and manage duplicate images. Zoho also announced some new enhancements to the integration between Zoho Forms and Zoho CRM, including support for UTM tracking parameters and using forms in multiple languages. There are also two powerful enhancements to your analytic dashboard that will improve the way you visualize and manage your data: the component filters and the option to view and recover recently deleted items. And there's even more CRM dashboard upgrades. There's new features like dashboard locking, displaying large numbers in the shortened form, and additional display of record count in KPIs. And now let's move on to all of the other sales apps that are within Zoho ecosystem, and let's see what updates did they get. Starting off from big news, Zoho has launched a new application, Zoho Solo. It is tailored to meet the unique business requirements of solo entrepreneurs. It seamlessly integrates the key business activities to provide a comprehensive experience, and in my opinion, is perfect for solo entrepreneurs. Moving on to updates in Zoho Begin, and the first feature that they launched is Caller ID. So Caller ID lets you see the contact names of incoming calls even if those contacts are not saved on your mobile device, as long as their contacts are saved in Begin. And Zoho Begin launched another feature, which is Formula Field. With the Formula Field, you can generate numerical calculations using provided functions and available fields, enabling you to derive dynamic data. You can utilize mathematical formulas to populate results based on the provided inputs. The field is available as a custom field. And the last sales app is Zoho Sales IQ, and there's an important update. So instance messaging channels active chat time is extended to 24 hours. Moving on to marketing apps that include Zoho Marketing Automation, Zoho Campaigns, Zoho Social, and other very useful apps. Let's see which updates did they get and which news are there. Starting off from Zoho Marketing Automation that launched their own SMS gateway feature. This new feature enables seamless SMS campaigns management alongside your email marketing initiatives, providing a more integrated and efficient way to reach to your audience. And Zoho Marketing Automation also announced the addition of two new features of the WhatsApp integration, the automation and utility conversation. Moving on to Zoho Social, and there are some exciting updates. For example, you can add first comment for Facebook, LinkedIn posts, and YouTube videos, create collaborative posts on Instagram, add a note and event, view drafts, and a lot more in the revamped published calendar, and connect and publish to your Threads profile from Zoho Social. Let's move on to service apps that include Zoho Desk and some other apps. Let's see if they got any exciting updates. So there's one very useful update to Zoho Desk. Now you can automate ticket assignment to contact or account owner using custom action. Moving on to a very important category, finance apps that include Zoho Books and other apps within Zoho ecosystem. Let's see what updates did they get. Starting off from Zoho Books, there are a few new features. So you can update report permissions, create custom dashboards, migrate to Kenya edition for Kenya edition, add dispatch from address in India edition. Also, there is a Vio Bank integration for United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Kuwait, Qatar, and Oman editions, enhanced barcode templates, enhanced reports module, transaction posting date for bills in India, Canada, and global editions, payment form for invoices in Mexico edition, exporting your chart for accounts in XML format in Mexico edition, estimates to quotes migration features, enhanced keyboard shortcuts, quick create menu for custom modules feature, generating ABA files for bills in Australia edition, track and filter your notifications features, Klarna payment method for Stripe added, and marking electronic invoices as manually pushed in India edition. Moving on to updates in Zoho Payroll. Now you can select different bank accounts for recording payroll payments in India, US, and United Arab Emirates. There's an employer bank accounts creation in United Arab Emirates, calculating earnings with gross-based custom formulas in India and United Arab Emirates, off-cycle payroll in US edition, integration of Zoho Analytics with payroll in India edition, resettlement payroll feature in United Arab Emirates edition, dislocating employees from a salary template feature, importing post-tax deductions for employees in India edition, and importing deductions for employees in United Arab Emirates edition. Some of the apps from email and collaboration category also got very exciting updates, so let's see what's new there. Zoho Meeting introduced a new feature of breakout rooms that are virtual spaces within an online meeting where participants are divided into smaller groups to engage in focused discussion and brainstorming sessions. In Zoho Click, there are enhancements to the Starts Call permission in Zoho Click admin panel. Zoho Show introduced a data art feature, so now you can create tables, charts, and source data from your spreadsheets all within the Data Art tab. Zoho Writer also introduced a very cool feature, so now you can add professional touch to your documents with watermarks that can be placed as text or images. And Zoho Notebook also introduced a very cool feature, Video Card. So now you can take notes in the video format and also share them by a private or public link. And let's move on to all of the other apps that includes project management apps, IT security, and also analytics. Starting off from Zoho Analytics, and they announced a Zoho Analytics 6.0 beta version. The new version comes packed with a wide range of functionalities for all persona, namely business users, data analysts, data engineers, and data scientists. New capabilities in Zoho Analytics 6.0 beta includes more data connectors, new visualizations, new interactions, advanced analytics models, the ability to build custom ML models, and 60 plus new, absolutely new features. Moving on to Zoho Vault, that has released some new features like passcard link, instant and browser notifications, secure note, and also login activity report. Moving on to Zoho Creator, which is now powered by Zoho Data Prep. So this exciting feature allows you to connect with 50 plus data sources, including local and cloud databases, and streamline your data workflow like never before. And the last app is Zoho Projects with its new features with Zia. So now you can create project tasks or issues with the help of Zia Bot, search for information with Zia Search, get summaries of your project data with Zia Insights, translate the tasks from over 70 languages with Zia Translate, and generate the project descriptions or anything else with ZS integration with OpenAI and ChatGPT. As you can see, there have been a lot of different updates made across different Zoho apps within Zoho ecosystem. They're all very exciting, and Zoho promises not to stop there, and it always updates and releases new very important features. So make sure to subscribe to our channel because we regularly produce videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, again, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Also, if you have any questions about Zoho implementation, integration, customer support, or service, you can book a free consultation with one of our experts by the link down below in the description box, and we will answer all of your questions. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next week's one.